Hello, so I just got done uploading the first video to the Grow with Lady YouTube channel, and I'm running into the issue where I do not get the custom thumbnail option like I do on my other YouTube account. And I figured out why that isn't working, so I want to walk you through the steps just in case you have had the same issue or running into the same problem. Right now I am in the Creative Studio beta, and haven't been able to figure out how to do it within the beta, but I'll take you back to the classic, the Creator Studio Classic. So you want to click this button down here. Right now we're just going to say skip because we're going to come back to it later. I just need to get the option to create custom thumbnails. So once that loads, as you can see, this thumbnail is not pretty. It has just a little clip of the video, nothing that is going to convince people to click at all. Now that we're back into the regular Creator Studio and not the Studio Beta, we're going to click on Channel, and here, status and features. Within the status and features, you can see that my custom thumbnails are not enabled. What we need to do first, let's verify our account. We're going to select our country, and we're going to tell it to text me with the verification code. Okay, I've received my 6-digit code, and now I will enter that in. Congratulations, your YouTube account is now verified. Yay, thank you, YouTube. Click continue. And what do you know? Now I can do custom thumbnails. It's all green. How awesome was that? Super quick, super easy. Now let's go back to Studio Beta so that you can see how to do it in the new YouTube Studio. We will click on videos and click on the video I want to add the custom thumbnail to. And look at that, custom thumbnail. Yes, exactly what we wanted. Navigate to where your channel art is, the one that you've made, click on it, click open, and save. Do not forget to save. Make sure to like and subscribe, and now that you know how to get access to custom thumbnails and upload custom thumbnails, let's make your custom thumbnails. So go to ladymora.com/YT and I'll give you instant access to my Lady Mora YouTube graphics starter kit. You're gonna love it. It'll make things so easy for you.